Artificial intelligence, AI, has become an integral part of our daily lives, revolutionizing industries, enhancing productivity, and transforming the way we interact with technology. With recent advancements in machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks, AI has made significant progress, leading to exciting possibilities for the future. In today's video, we will be showing you the future of artificial intelligence and what to expect. Without further ado, let's begin. Advancements in AI technology. Artificial intelligence is set to witness tremendous growth in the coming years. The development of more powerful hardware, such as specialized AI chips, will enable faster and more efficient processing. Moreover, breakthroughs in algorithms and software will facilitate the creation of more intelligent and adaptable AI systems. Expect AI to become increasingly sophisticated, capable of handling complex tasks with greater accuracy and efficiency. AI in healthcare. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by improving diagnostics, drug discovery, personalized medicine, and patient care. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data, aiding in the early detection of diseases and providing personalized treatment recommendations. Telemedicine will become more prevalent, with AI-powered chatbots providing basic medical advice and reducing the burden on healthcare providers. AI will also play a crucial role in robotic surgery, enabling precision and minimizing the risks associated with human error. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars have been a topic of great interest, and the future holds tremendous promise for this technology. AI will continue to enhance the capabilities of autonomous vehicles, making them safer, more efficient, and more accessible. Advanced AI systems will enable vehicles to navigate complex traffic situations, interact with pedestrians, and adapt to changing road conditions. Expect autonomous vehicles to become a common sight, leading to a significant reduction in accidents and traffic congestion. AI and the workplace. The integration of AI into the workplace will bring about significant changes in the nature of jobs and the skills required. While some fear that AI will replace human workers, it is more likely that AI will augment human capabilities, leading to increased productivity and efficiency. Repetitive and mundane tasks will be automated, allowing employees to focus on higher-value work that requires creativity, problem-solving, and critical thinking. Collaboration between humans and AI will become the norm, enabling more streamlined and intelligent workflows. Ethical considerations. As AI continues to advance, it becomes imperative to address ethical concerns surrounding its use. Issues such as algorithmic bias, data privacy, and job displacement must be carefully managed. Developers and policymakers will need to ensure transparency and accountability in AI systems, promoting fairness and avoiding discriminatory outcomes. Striking the right balance between innovation and responsible use of AI will be crucial for its successful integration into society. AI in education. The field of education stands to benefit significantly from AI. Intelligent tutoring systems can provide personalized learning experiences, adapting to individual student needs and promoting effective learning outcomes. AI-powered tools can automate administrative tasks, allowing teachers to focus more on student engagement and instructional support. Virtual reality and augmented reality, combined with AI, can create immersive and interactive learning environments. The future of education will be driven by AI, enabling more inclusive and accessible education for all. AI in creative industries. AI is already making its presence felt in creative fields such as art, music, and writing. AI algorithms can generate original artwork, compose music, and even write coherent articles, like this one. While some argue that AI cannot replace human creativity, it can undoubtedly serve as a powerful tool for inspiration and collaboration. Expect AI to become an essential part of the creative process, assisting artists, musicians, and writers in pushing the boundaries of their respective domains. AI in customer service. The customer service industry is undergoing a significant transformation with the integration of AI. Chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming more intelligent and capable of providing personalized and efficient customer support. Natural language processing and machine learning algorithms enable these AI systems to understand customer queries, provide relevant information, and resolve issues promptly. AI-powered sentiment analysis can also help companies gauge customer satisfaction and address concerns proactively. As AI continues to evolve, customer service experiences will become more seamless, responsive, and tailored to individual needs. AI and cybersecurity. As technology advances, so do the threats posed by cybercriminals. AI can play a vital role in strengthening cybersecurity defenses. Machine learning algorithms can detect anomalies and patterns in network traffic, helping to identify and mitigate potential cyber threats in real time. AI-powered systems can also analyze vast amounts of data to identify vulnerabilities and provide recommendations for enhancing security measures. However, it is essential to stay vigilant and address the ethical implications of using AI in cybersecurity, ensuring that it does not inadvertently become a tool for malicious activities. AI and environmental sustainability. The future of artificial intelligence is closely linked to environmental sustainability. AI can contribute to tackling pressing environmental challenges such as climate change, resource management, and conservation efforts. Machine learning algorithms can optimize energy consumption in buildings, enhance renewable energy systems, and optimize transportation routes to reduce emissions. AI-powered sensors and monitoring systems can help detect and respond to environmental risks promptly. The integration of AI into sustainable practices will be critical for building a greener and more sustainable future. AI and scientific research. The field of scientific research stands to benefit significantly from AI. AI algorithms can process vast amounts of data, analyze complex patterns, and discover new insights in various scientific disciplines. From drug discovery and genomics to astronomy and particle physics, AI can accelerate the pace of scientific discovery. AI-powered simulations and modeling can also help scientists understand complex phenomena and make predictions with higher accuracy. The collaboration between AI and human researchers will unlock new frontiers in knowledge and innovation. AI and social impact. Artificial intelligence has the potential to drive positive social impact across various domains. AI-powered systems can aid in disaster response by analyzing data and providing critical insights for efficient resource allocation and emergency management. AI can also contribute to addressing societal issues such as poverty, inequality, and healthcare disparities by providing data-driven insights and solutions. The future of artificial intelligence holds immense potential, with advancements in technology reshaping various sectors of society. From healthcare and transportation to the workplace and education, AI will continue to transform the way we live and work. However, with this progress comes the need for responsible development and ethical considerations. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, it is crucial to ensure transparency, fairness, and accountability. By embracing the benefits of AI while addressing its challenges, we can create a future where artificial intelligence enhances human potential and leads to a more prosperous and equitable society. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.